You can do it. He's sinking. Don't know if he's supposed to sink like that. Okay. Now you got the pro.
Something like that called Oasis.
Yeah, he seems to know what he's doing. Let's get in there. This looks extremely dangerous. Hello, can I step up there with my shoe? Never seen this. What does this do?
So that's the Joby. It goes about 1 to 2 miles an hour.
You grip it with your hands.
Yes, sir. And you pull the 2 triggers and it goes.
Oh yeah, right there. There's
Yes,
a
sir.
trigger. Wow, that's cool. You guys have like a website?
Yes, sir. It's going to be nauticalventures.com.
Okay, thank you very much.
Problem, sir.
That's pretty cool. Nautical Ventures. This one is mechanically powered. This one is like a recumbent position that you have to take, and then you pedal. And it goes for $3,000. I'd love to have one of these. Sail around the world. That's amazing. $500,000. That's amazing. So reasonable prices. It's great. That electric thing is fast. Okay, take a look at this one. 459,000. And guys, take a quick look, take a close look at that screen. That just gives you an idea of the amount of information you have at your fingertips. Look at the space you have down there. If you have inclement weather, you can seek shelter in there. Look at the number of speakers. This is actually definitely an entertainment machine party. No, I'm good. Yeah, I saw the price. I saw everything. It's I love the dual screens and.
So that price is for the exact same model.
Okay.
But if you do like a twin setup and less speakers and things like that, then
Yes.
you're at 350 starting price.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
So this one is fully loaded
Correct.
then. Okay.
Correct. Fully loaded RGB light. So this one, but on all the model, you have integrated shower, T-top shower over there in the further in.
Uh huh.
Night vision camera, back camera.
Wow. Yeah, I see it up front
Yep.
there. Amazing. Where are you guys based out of though?
Up at the beach.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Are you mobile? You're
Well, I'm in Miami for now.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's close.
Thanks for showing me, man. Okay. And they have a whole bunch of other boats right here. I like the teak flooring on this one. Hello. 400,000 for this one. She did a great job explaining the process and presenting the boat. cigarette boat. Let's check this out. That electric thing is
Ladies and
fast.
gentlemen, come on, let's give these ladies
silent.
a big round of applause. They're making a little video here. All this. Anything goes down now. This is a happy car. The South car. Thank you. Enjoy, ladies.
Those are the ladies shooting the series, the reality show. You guys got one of those? Does it work?
Yeah, it's good. It's really nice.
Thanks. Miami Nautique.
How's it going?
Good. Mercury 300. And I believe this is offered by Miami Nautique. That electric guy is zipping out there. That thing is fast. It looks like a lot of fun. $245 with a low payment of $1,775 a month only. 2023's Commander 920 Explorer Max. So which of these is that boat? Let's see here. I think it's this one here on the left. And it could be yours for the low price of $245,000. Dual Suzuki 250s. Wow. Yeah, this is the CX, the diesel engine. I haven't seen many of these, but it's becoming more and more popular. Hello guys. Good. So this one is diesel powered?
Yeah,
How many horse does it put out? About how many horse?
300 horsepower,
That's amazing.
480 pounds. 80 pounds of torque. We can start it up if you want to start it up.
Oh no, that's cool. But what would be the advantage of the diesel? Is it the fuel economy or the torque?
Actually, both fuel economy and torque. So it's about, we advertise 30% better, and we see more than that most of the
Wow.
time compared to comparable gas engines. And the torque is 480 pounds, which is twice as much torque basically as any gas cycle in its class in its horsepower range. So.
But what about reliability and servicing? Does it require any additional more servicing compared to a gas?
No, less servicing actually. After a 50-hour initial service, it's every 200 hours. Water pumps made to last at least a minimum of 1,000 hours.
Okay.
And so no, we're actually half the amount of services it does take on a gas motor.
Wow. So where do we find you guys?
We're Ring Power. So Ring Power, a local British shipper for Florida and the Southeast.
Okay.
And then Cox is actually built over in the UK.
Okay.
So
So we're your Ring Power Caterpillar dealer,
Yes.
right? So we're all over Florida. We're the same people.
Okay,
So
cool.
if you reach out to Ring Power, you can get a hold of any of us there.
Cool. All right, thanks guys for showing me.
If you got more questions, you can do that as well.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Yeah, so that's a diesel engine right there. 300 horse. Amazing. Okay, let's continue here.
I don't really care about taste too much.
Does it taste like?
It tastes like
179 here. 300 horse.
pay me $100, and that means I can move out whenever I want.
It's a Verado 400, and we're looking here at 329,000. 450 horsepower max, and you have the QR code right there. The good thing about this one, you guys can see you are protected from the elements, so that's good. Continue here, same thing, and the price here is $399, and you have the dual 250 Mercury engines. Bumps up the price to $399. Beautiful rig though. Look at some of these over here. Fly-by-wire, trailerable, for just $199 direct from the factory. Those screens are such high resolution, even in direct sunlight, they are so bright. The Garmin displays. That's another one. I don't want to go on the boats, just look around. Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you. This one is already sold. Beautiful.
So I guess that's your
Check this out.
like a 4-cylinder diesel on it.
That's electric. And it's also sold. It's $379. You can see the engine down there. It's green, so I think it's a Yanmar. This one too is sold. Oh my goodness. These guys have sold a lot. That's a big thing. The LED lights under the water. They look awesome at night. V6 4.2 liter engine. $199. I think the prices here are really good for what you're getting. compared to some of the other boats we've seen. And you can see it has a camera right there. New model. Captain Centric. Everything is there. $159. That one is also sold, 379,000. Let's take a look over here.
Yeah, they're expensive. The thing is,
Yeah, but all I know is there's something
Oh, the bar right there.
doing the cuts. We go to cuts signs, so like, where's the daylight?
And this one, we have a price here.
I like the big idea.
No price. So let's move on. Look here. I wonder which one this is. 229,000. Here's a Power Play 30. But check this out. Check the quality of the wood. Hours and hours of polishing. It's really beautiful. Got a grill so you don't have to come to on land before you start cooking up the fish that you catch. Dual rating 400 engines from Mercury. This is a good sized boat for someone who is not hoping to entertain like really large parties. It's a Sea Line. Check out the camera. Fully loaded with tech. And I believe in there should be air conditioned. Protect you from the elements. Got a spot here to cook. Wash your catch. Prepare it. Amazing. Let's see if we can have a price on this one. Got some specs. No price. Guys, what do you fancy? 600 hours only. LEDs. everywhere you look. Awesome party boat.
Yeah, I was like, why did I do this sooner?
$400,000 for this one. Jeez, that's a lot of power. To take you quickly to your fishing spot and bring you back quickly to port. You can have quite a party going on here. Look at you can catch all the fish in the sea. That's insane. Check that out. Is the last day, so I'm sure most of these guys are already tired. Guys, I would love to own this one. This is amazing. Quad Mercury 600 V12s. How many cylinders is that? 12 times 4. Sitting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one should carry at least 30 people at the very least. Look at the number of speakers, subwoofers. It's gorgeous. Let's cross over here. See what we're working with. have some more information about this. Not much information. Let's check this one out. It's $1 million for this one right here. This one is just too open for my liking. That looks like some kind of stabilization system. Mystic. This thing is huge. That they have, you can see how deep the water is. There's fish there. The mercury engines. And this one is going for the display model pricing. The low monthly payment of just $8,876. And this could be yours. Formula. This will do very well in Saudi Arabia. Gold color, 42 feet long, open design, and they're asking just for $1 million. Composite. What else do we have here? Getting confused. Crunchy. Garnet offshore. It's a cat. So here we have the Solarium 390. That's what it looks like. Our food, and it's only $699. Looks great, powered by 3 Mercury engines. And there you go. Thank you. You too. Here we have $349 for this one right here, dual engine. Not as fancy. It's still a great boat. Which one is this? The little one there. Okay. Thank you.
Rocket ship.
It's fast.
It's got a 500 horsepower motor. It only weighs 2,000 pounds. It's all carbon fiber.
Wow. Yeah, you can see how the guys pull it.
It's got shock absorbers in the seats.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I'll stand that way. That way I can film it. I don't have to go on board. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see. Wow, I've never seen those seats. Are they like special design, like carbon fiber or something?
What's that?
The back of the seat, is it carbon fiber?
Yeah, it's on the boat's 100% carbon fiber. And so the reason the back's like that is to give it stability in the turns.
Yeah, you guys see right here.
Yeah, that grabs the rail you carve. You're carving on that rail. Wow. And look how light it is.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
They make a Mercedes, they make a carbon fiber, but you know the Germans.
Okay. Awesome, awesome.
And the one over here, the orange one, same brand.
Okay. Yeah. I saw that one over there. Okay.
Same brand. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for showing me, sir.
No problem. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah, absolutely fast boat, and you can contact the guys over at evyachting.com. There you go. Let's continue. Here you have Crunchy. With boats these days, guys, black is in. Here it's 159. This one right here. What it looks like. It's a gorgeous color. This is huge. Beautiful design also. That's a catamaran. It's great. The 44 foot. Solar power. Solaris. And you got a QR code. Right, let's continue. C11 from Georgetown, based out of Georgetown. Beautiful. This one is coming from New Hampshire. Summer wind. Fiberglass everywhere. Those are those seats with shock absorbers. Shouldn't be too long before you start seeing that, those seats in cars. Let's continue here. Let's go green. Did we pass here already? Looks like we did.